Team. We're doing our virtual open house today at 317-245 Edwards Drive. This is a condominium, like apartment style, located on a third floor. As you can see, you just walked out of the elevator. I'm going to showcase the unit and then talk about a little bit about the area and the unit, and we'll take it from there. So like as soon as you get out of the elevator, you walk like couple of blocks, like couple of units this way, and it's towards the right. This is number 317-245 Edwards Drive, built in 2004, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 826 square feet, and it's priced at $171,800. Price is unreal. It's the cheapest in the complex. Also, like a 2 bedroom and 2 full bath gives you advantage that you have your own personal space, and you can always rent out the other room as well. This is a great property for first time home buyers and the investors. If anybody is looking to invest in the Edmonton area, please give us a call at 780-938-4858 or 780-431-5615. So this, like as you can see, in the first, let's talk about the kitchen area. We have all stainless steel appliances here. The condominium board is run very well. Like the condo fees is only $309 every month. Property tax is about $1,526. With 20% down payment, you can own this condo for $1,050. That includes your mortgage payment, your condo fees, your property tax. Your condo fees also include your water, like electricity, not electricity, I was just joking there. So water, heat, garbage, and all that good stuff. So $309 month, it's super cheap. Condos like these, they go for average condo fees is over $400. So that tells me for almost 18-19-year-old unit, it's run very well. And then, so if you wanted to book a private showing, please give us a call. So in the kitchen area, as you can see, there is a lot of cabinet space here. We have over the hood fan. Microwave is not sitting on a shelf. It's just like any other unit. They have a space for that as well. Also, we do have a little kitchen island in the middle. Just on this side now, it's got a decent sized living space. So it's mostly carpet, all over the living area and in both bedrooms. And also the kitchen area is not carpet, obviously. Let's show you a little bit about the area. And the living space, as you can see, it's huge. You can put a sectional here, wall mount your TV, make it look like a little bit more bigger and nicer and cleaner. This unit is kept very well, as you can see, the sellers staged it very nice. Let's show you from the balcony. So from the balcony, as you can see, we do have a pond view. So it's got a nice pond view here. This unit is located in Ellerslie itself. It's close to all the amenities like Save on Food, Shoppers Drug Mart, South Common, all those big shopping complexes, and the stores. They're located not even 3 to 4 minutes away. Walmart is just around the corner. There's a big superstore in the South Common. South Common is kind of like a strip mall, so where you have all these big brand stores as well, like Nordstrom and all those other big stores as well. So let's show you the master ensuite first. So just follow me this way. So in the master ensuite here, you come into the condo, you turn left, and then this is your ensuite. You got a decent sized bedroom. Right now they have a queen size bed with night tables on both ends. You also do have a space big enough to put a king size bed with the night tables too. As you can see, there's a lot of room on the side. So space is not an issue in this unit. Also, there's a chest in the corner there. Even from the master suite, you have an amazing view. If you look at it, you're looking at the pond, summertime. It's so nice and beautiful. It's green, and you have a nice pond right there. Just through the master suite, over this side, you have a walk-in closet pretty much. And like, so the closet, like, you know, there is racks or like the shelves on both sides. So you can put your stuff on this side or hangs like other stuff on the other side. It's a very decent size closet. Like over here, we have a 4-piece bathroom. So in the bathroom, like, you know, we have a tub. And a toilet and a sink, obviously. So just coming out of the bathroom again, just on the other side. So this unit also comes with the ensuite laundry as well. So before we go that way, I just want to show you, like, as soon as you enter, there is a closet right here. Like, you hang your coats, put your shoes there and all that good stuff. Right next to it is a little linen closet, so where you can put all your towels, bed sheets and all that good stuff. And then we have a stackable laundry right next to it. So now we'll go in the second bedroom here. The second bedroom is also a very spacious room. You can definitely put a queen size bed in here. Not too sure about the nightstands, but you might be able to fit 100%, not a problem. Like this side, they're just covering it up, but like here's your closet. So like, you know, storage, closet, whatever you want to do with it. Also, both bedrooms have a beautiful pond view. So like, if you're looking for a view, like, and looking to purchase an apartment style condo, you cannot find a property like this. It's amazing. It's on the 3rd floor and it's priced at $171,800. Condo fees is only $309. Property tax is about $1,526. You can own this property for $1,050 a month, including your mortgage, your condo fees, and the property tax. So again, like, you know, oh, sorry, I forgot to show you another bathroom. So how about let's show you another bathroom right here. So this is the second full bath. We have a full tub, 2-piece pretty much, a toilet and a sink, right? Let's just go back to the kitchen area and we'll wrap up here. If you have any questions about this property, please give me a call at 780-938-4858. This is Sahil with Manny Beckett team at Royal LePage Noralta. Look, like, just to wrap up, I am at 317-245 Edwards Drive, price at $171,800, and condo fees is only $309. Property tax about $1,500. You can own this property with 20% down payment for $1,050, and in this condo complex, the units are renting for $1,200 a month. So there is a positive return on investment. So don't be afraid. Please give me a call. If not this one, we can always show you the other units as well, or single family homes, whatever you wanted to look into buy or